I thought I'd make a video of my truck running. I'll show you what it's doing. What second from the driver's side closest to it. It's not really working. I'll show you the effective idle of the other cylinder. Really makes a difference there. Somewhat of a difference there. It actually smooths out a little bit.